If the word's not out yet, I am turning 28 in a few days. 28, that's right. That got me thinking, what have I done in 27 years of my life? I mean, don't get me wrong. I do a lot of stuff. I go on trips, I attend concerts, I hang out with friends, I do fun stuff. But the things I should have done in 27 years, not the big stuff like skydiving, bungee jumping, that I'll do before I turn 30. But the smaller stuff that I haven't gotten around doing in 27 years or I haven't done in a while. So, I asked few people who know me well to give me a few challenges that they think that I should do before I turn 28. I'll be doing one challenge every day for the next 27 days, and you are basically coming along with me. So don't miss out on the first episode of our series